What if I told you that the expensive probiotic pill you faithfully take every morning might be doing almost nothing for your gut health? It's a shocking truth, but many common probiotic supplements simply don't survive the harsh journey through your stomach acid. They're dead before they even reach their destination. But don't worry, if you watch until the end, you'll discover the real science behind a healthy gut and exactly what accessible foods you should be eating instead to supercharge your digestion and immunity. The core problem with many probiotic pills lies in their delivery. Our stomach is incredibly acidic, designed to kill off harmful bacteria. Unfortunately, this also often destroys the beneficial bacteria in supplements before they can colonize your intestines and offer any real benefits. So if pills aren't always the answer, how do we truly foster a thriving gut microbiome? The key lies in understanding two crucial terms: probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are the live, beneficial bacteria themselves, like tiny workers in your gut factory. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are the special fiber that feeds these workers. Think of prebiotics as the fertilizer for your gut garden. Without them, even the best probiotics can't flourish. Ready to learn what foods provide both? Our first science-backed tip: incorporate more naturally fermented foods into your diet. These are nature's own probiotic powerhouses. Foods like yogurt with live active cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are packed with diverse, resilient strains of beneficial bacteria. These foods deliver probiotics in a natural matrix that helps them survive digestion better than many isolated pill forms. Just check labels for live and active cultures. Our second tip: load up on prebiotic-rich foods. These are the fuel for your existing gut bacteria, helping them multiply and thrive. Excellent sources include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, oats, and apples. These simple ingredients are easy to add to everyday meals. By feeding your good bacteria, you create a stronger, more diverse microbiome that can better fight off pathogens and improve nutrient absorption. Finally, tip number 3, don't forget the basics: hydration and stress management. A healthy gut isn't just about what you eat. Adequate water intake helps keep things moving through your digestive tract, while chronic stress can negatively impact your gut's delicate balance. Prioritize self-care, get enough sleep, and find ways to relax to support your gut from the inside out. It's all connected. So skip the expensive, often ineffective probiotic pills and nourish your gut naturally with fermented foods, plenty of prebiotic fiber, and a holistic approach to well-being. Small, consistent changes truly add up to big health improvements. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Greenplate for more simple, science-backed nutrition tips. What's your favorite gut-friendly food? Share in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.